How to add pricing tables to Wix. So in order to add a pricing table to your Wix, we can utilize the app called Elf Site. So we have in here Elf Site. Once you have successfully signed up for an account, head over to the catalog and click on the search widgets. Search in here for pricing table. We can see in here this. So make sure to click on this. And from in there, they will ask you to choose for a template. We have in here pricing grid, pricing columns, comparison table, as well as service plans. For this case, I'll head over and then input right here this service plans option. You can see that we have these plans and we also have in here their actual features so you can actually compare those. Click onto this continue with this template. Choose in here the edit the content as well. So we have the free, the startup business. You can just edit those depending on the plans that you have. Once you're done editing, make sure to head over and then publish this. Once it's been published, you can click onto this install option. Click onto this copy code and then head back right here to your Wix. Now on the blank part of your Wix, click onto this plus option in order to add an element. Go over to the embed in social, go to the embed code, and make sure to drag and drop this embed code element to any blank part of your website. From in there, it will attach it, so click on this enter code option. Input right here the HTTPS that we have copied and click on update. Now this will load in order to show us our pricing table so you can just adjust it in order to fit the frame of what we have right there. So that's how you add pricing tables to Wix. Hope we helped.